Hey guys, so this is my new keyboard. I just ordered it from Stacks KB. This is the Monsgeek M1 V3 and it just reached me in 2 days. Like, I live in NCR in Delhi and I just got this package in really good packaging. When I bought this keyboard, right, I had a few criteria in mind that I had needed for a keyboard. First was it had to be in aluminum and it had to be gasket, obviously. It has to be QMK and VS supported, and I wished that it would be wireless, but because I was trying to make a wireless desk setup, but I just contacted Stacks KB and they said that they are not going to be stocking the wireless version of M1 V3 anytime soon, and I'm not really in the mood to import anything, so I just got this. I think it should be good. Again, like I think wired keyboards are usually better when it comes to custom keyboards. So let's see what we have in the box here. So let's put it aside. So it's a really nice package. Let's see what's inside. Oh man, I'm loving this. Whoa. There's nothing. All right, so ta-da! Yay, that is the keyboard. And let's try to take this out. Yeah, so we get the keyboard. Let's put this aside for a bit. And let's see what else we get. I think the cables is inside this little box. Okay. It looks like a cable. And yeah, so we have a coil cable. I like the design of it. This is what you got for the cables. It's coiled as well, like pretty good. And we have the switch, the keycap puller, and they have some stabilizers. They look very similar to the Durop V3s that I have on my other keyboard, like transparent. I really like the design. And then we also have the switch puller. And what else do we got? We have some screws, right? And we have some, okay, this is for the 4th brake mode, I think. And then we have some gasket socks. Yeah, that's all you get in the package. So these are the things that we get in the box. I'll just keep this aside for now because I don't plan on building it tonight. Now let's see the actual board. Okay, so I ordered the black version. So this is the keyboard and you have the plastic dust cover on top, and man, it looks pretty. I really like the knob and the plates as well. I think these are polycarbonate and they have plate mounted stabs right now, and they also gave the screen stabs, so we'll be replacing these with that. So looking at a keyboard, like, it looks really good. Like the knob also feels really great. And if you remember, the Monsgeek version 2 had a side accent. This one doesn't, so it looks way more cleaner even though you have this. So it does not look as good, but it's still better than the side accent, I believe. They removed it, I think, because I don't think many people liked it. I don't know. But the build feels really cool. Like, for 7,000 rupees, an aluminum board with QMK support and gasket mount and really good stabs, this is really great value. The USB-C hub, the port, I mean, is also looks really clean. At the back you have this Monsgeek serial number, nothing else. It's really simple. So this was the Monsgeek M1. I'll be making a build video of this keyboard really soon, like mostly during the weekends. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.